Mindful Cooking. What do you want to eat today? And how are you preparing your own food? Do you take time for it? So today it's just a small input to bring more joy and more love into your food. So it already starts when you go to the supermarket. Are you the one who is coming with their list? Or are you the one who is just picking what is coming into your way? So it doesn't matter. Go with joy. What do you want to eat today? What do you want to prepare? How is the combination of the food you are choosing today? And maybe stop thinking and just try something new. Make something new together and enjoy the process. Your 5 cents are always included. So first you touch them, you see already how they look. And then when you start to cook, maybe the color is changing. Maybe there is a new combination coming and it starts to smell so good. So feel the whole joy and really connect, and also combine good music, good feelings, good kind of energy what you already put in the food while preparing it. It's your meal and it will boost your day. It will push you. It will give you so much energy back. So why not start directly by preparing to put all the good energy in it? Come on, let's try it right now.